Hi, this is Bala and my wife Soumya.
Hi.
We are here in our house which has been renovated by our dear friends from Rezt+Relax.
We consider wood as a natural beauty, so that's why you see a lot of wooden furnitures in the house. So the living room of the house is the favorite spot, and the favorite furniture for me is the recliner. So I enjoy my recliner watching the television.
So this swing where we are sitting now is my favorite spot for my early morning coffee.
And this living room is a lot of ideas ran through more than 100 times or something, and finally Alex and Jackie helped me to set this living room the way I wanted.
So Rezt+Relax is a designing firm which was introduced to us by our broker Nick Tan, who helped us find this house.
The day when I called up Alex, he was quite prompt in replying to my messages. They didn't rush through anything, they had the patience to listen to what I wanted my home to be.
Alex and Jackie have put in all their efforts, and I think these two guys are having the right attitude, and I'm sure they will go a long way. That's something which is very useful from an overall maintenance perspective. Gives us the sense of comfort that we can rely and go back to the company and ask for any future assistance.
Thank you, Alex and Jackie, and Rezt+Relax. We can't do it together. Never.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Rezt and Alex.
Rezt and Alex, relax and jockey.